morning, students. Let us continue from where we have started the previous lecture. So this is the fourth problem from third Roman. Integral 1 by 2 minus 3 cos 2x dx. So here denominator contains trigonometric functions. So the previous problem also we have seen integral 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x. If x is there, tan x by 2, half of that we have to take into consideration as t. Here 2x is there, tan 2x by 2, half of it. 2x by 2 is x. So let tan x is equals to t. Now differentiate. So secant square x dx is equals to dt. So dx is equals to dt by secant square x. So dt by secant square x minus tan square x is 1. Secant square x is 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan x whole square. Tan x is t. So dx is 1 dt by 1 plus t square. Now cos 2x. So cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x in terms of tan x. So this is tan x, we have treated it to be t. So 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is cos 2x. Now substituting cos 2x and dx in the given equation, given integral. Integral dx is equals to dt by 1 plus t square by 2 minus 3 into cos 2x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is equals to integral dt by 1 plus t square by, here LCM is 1 plus t square, one plus t square. So 2 into 1 plus t square minus 3 into 1 minus t square. So 1 plus t square gets cancelled. So this is integral 1 by 2 plus 2t square minus 3 plus 3t square into dt. So this is equals to 1 by 2t square plus 3t square is 5t square plus 2 minus 3 is 1 minus 1 dt. So here 1 by 5 if you take outside as a common, then this is 1 by t square minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 1 by root 5 whole square dt. So this is 1 by 5. This is t, you treat it to be x. So we have the formula 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. So 1 by 2a, a here is 1 by root 5 log t minus 1 by root 5 by t plus 1 by root 5 plus constant of integration c. So this is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 2 root 5. 1 by 2 by root 5. So it will be reversed, right? Root 5 by 2 log LCM here is root 5. So root 5t minus 1 by root 5. T value here is tan x. So root 5 tan x minus 1 by root 5 tan x plus 1 plus constant of integration c. By root 5 both on the numerator as well as denominator gets cancelled, and where t value I have replace it by tan x. So this root 5. So 1 by 2 root 5 log root 5 tan x minus 1 by root 5 into tan x plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Integral x root 1 plus x minus x square dx. X is of the form ax plus b, 1x plus 0. So this is linear expression 1 plus x minus x square is a quadratic expression. So linear and quadratic expression, linear is equals to a into d by dx of quadratic plus b. So linear here is x is equals to a into d by dx of quadratic is 1 plus x minus x square plus b. So a into d by dx of 1 is 0 plus d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of x square is 2x plus b. So this is a into 1 minus 2x plus b. This is equals to x. Now comparing the coefficient of x and constants on both sides, we get x quotient in the LHS is 1. Here this is minus 2ax. A minus 2ax. X quotient is minus 2a. So from this, a is equals to minus 1 by 2. Comparing constants, we get, we don't have any constant in the LHS. 0 is equals to 1 into a plus b. So a plus b is equals to 0. B is equals to minus a. So minus of minus half, that is b is equals to plus half. Therefore, x is equals to, the value of a is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2x plus the value of b is 1 by 2. Now, x root 1 plus x minus x square dx is equals to integral. In the place of x, we can replace it with this. Minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 2x plus half into square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. So this is equals to, this is a plus b into c. AC plus BC, integral is to be distributed for both of them. So minus 1 by 2 integral 1 minus 2x into square root of 1 plus x minus x square plus 1 by 2 integral square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. This is equals to minus half into 1 plus x minus x square derivative is 1 minus 2x. Therefore, this is root f of x into f dash x dx. Root f of x into f dash x dx. We have the formula integral root f of x into f dash x dx is equals to 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2. We have a result. So according to that, this is 2 by 3 into f of x here is the value under root. So 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. 2 gets cancelled. So this we have get through the result integral root f of x into f dash x dx, which is equals to 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So minus 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash x dx is 2 by 3 f of x. Here f of x is this whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into this. So 2 gets cancelled. So minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is a pure quadratic expression, x square x constant. So minus x square plus x plus 1. So if you write it in an order, this is what we get. So this is equals to, if you take minus as a common, then x square minus x minus 1. So minus of, now let us complete the square. So x square, I will take x minus x coefficient is 1, it's half, complete the square, minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus 1. So this is minus of x minus 1 by 2 whole square. 4 ones are minus 4 minus 5, minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4 can be written as minus 5 root 5 by 2 whole square. So this is equals to, this minus is, this is square root of, right? So this minus, if you bring it inside, minus into minus plus. So this is root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square whole dx. Now this is equals to minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is integral root of a square minus x square dx. Integral root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. So x by 2 here is, x here is x minus 1 by 2 as a whole, x by 2 into square root of root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2. A is root 5 by 2, a square is root 5 by 2 whole square. So 5 by 2 square 4, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. X is x minus 1 by 2 by a is root 5 by 2 plus constant of integration c. So this is minus 1 by 3, 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus, this is 1 by 2 into, this is 2 LCM, 2x minus 1 by 2 by 2. So 2x minus 1 by 2, 2s are 4 into square root of root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 4 2s are 8 sine inverse 2x minus 1 by 2 by root 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled by root 5 plus constant of integration c. This implies minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus x minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 8, 2 8 is 16. So 5 by 16 sine inverse 2x minus 1 by root 5 plus, so this 1 by 2 into this. So 2x minus 1 by 4 2s are 8 into root of root 5 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square is this 1 plus x minus x square. So this is square root of 1 plus x minus x square plus constant of integration c. The previous problem, integral 1 by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx, is already discussed in our lecture number 11, where I have discussed the various methods in that lecture. So if you want that problem, then you may go to the 11th video and you may check it out also. Now let us continue the 7th problem onwards. Integral dx by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. This is, the numerator contains 1 and the denominator contains the trigonometric functions. So here x is there. So tan half of this x is to be taken as t. Let earlier problem, so dx by 2 minus 3 cos 2x, cos 2x, 2x half x, tan x equals to t we have taken into consideration there. But here x is there. So tan x by 2 we have to take. Tan x by 2 is equals to t. Now let us suppose this to be x. Tan x derivative is secant square. X is x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Dx is equals to dt. So this implies dx is equals to this 1 by 2 if you transpose onto another side, that is 2 dt by secant square x by 2 is multiplying, it would be dividing. Secant square 2 dt by secant square x by 2. So secant square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 is 1. Secant square x by 2 is equals to 1 plus tan square x by 2. So 2 dt by 1 plus tan square x by 2 is nothing but tan x by 2 whole square. Tan x by 2 is t. So t 1 plus t square. Therefore this is dx. And as far as sin x is concerned, sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta is sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. But sin theta we want, that is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2, which we have learnt in the last year. So in multiple and submultiple angles in trigonometry. So sin x is equals to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is 2, tan x by 2 is t. So 2t by 1 plus tan x by 2 whole square. So 1 plus t square. Cos x is equals to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So substituting dx, sin x and cos x in the given integral. So this is equals to, the value of dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 4 into the value of cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 3 into sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square. So this implies 2 I'll write outside since this is the constant, dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square is the LCM. So this is 4 minus 4t square plus 3 into 2 16. So 1 plus t square 1 plus t square gets cancelled. 2 into, this is 1 by minus 4t square plus 60 plus 4 dt. So 2, this is 1 by, if you cancel 2 here, then we'll get minus 2t square plus 3t plus 2 dt. Taking 2 as a common here, that 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, we are left with minus 2t square plus 3t plus 2. This is a pure quadratic expression. This is the form ax square plus bx plus c. So we have to complete the square. Here t square sign is negative and t square quotient is 2. So in order to make t square quotient unity, so we have to take minus 2 as a common, as a whole. So this is 1 by minus 2 if you take common. So this is t square minus 3 by 2t minus 1 dt. This is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now t square, I'll write t minus t quotient is 3 by 2, half of it 3 by 4, complete the square, minus 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 4 4s are 16 minus 1 dt. So this is minus 1 by 2, 1 by t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Here the LCM is 16, 16 ones are minus 16 minus 9, minus 25 by 16. Minus 25 by 16 can be written as minus 5 by 4 whole square dt. So this implies minus 1 by 2. This is, if you take this minus inside, then minus into minus plus. So this is 1 by 5 by 4 whole square minus t minus 3 by 4 whole square. T minus 3 by 4 whole square dt. So 1 by 2. This is of the form integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. Integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a, a here is 5 by 4, log a plus x. So 5 by 4 plus t minus 3 by 4 by 5 by 4 minus of t minus 3 by 4 plus constant of integration c. Since integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus constant of integration c. So this is 2 times 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 by 2 is reverse 2 by 5 log. So here LCM is 4. So 5 plus 4t minus 3 by, here also LCM is 4, 5 minus t, 4 times 4t minus into minus plus 3, 4 gets cancelled. So 2 gets cancelled here is equals to 1 by 5 log 2 both on numerator as well as denominator. If you cancel, then we will be getting 1 plus 2t by 4 minus 2t. 4 minus 2t. So this is equals to 1 by 5 log 1 plus 2, in the place of t substitute tan x by 2, 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 by 4 minus 2 tan x by 2 plus constant of integration c, and is integral 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. So the procedure is same as what we have discussed before in the 7th question. Here x is given and the denominator contains the trigonometric functions. Here x is given, so tan x by 2 is equals to t. Let tan x by 2 is equals to t, then subsequently we will be getting dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So if you do not understand how we get it directly, then please refer the previous question, which is 7th. Now sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So everything let us plug in to the given integral. So dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square, sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square plus root 3 into cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So 2, let us write it outside, by 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square is the LCM here. Then we will get 2t plus root 3 into 1 minus t square. So root 3 minus root 3 t square. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square gets cancelled. This is equals to 2, 1 by, so minus root 3 t square plus 2t plus root 3 dt. So 2 into, so to make the t square quotient unity, let us take minus root 3 common. So 1 by minus root 3 you take common, then t square minus 2 by root 3 t minus 1. Minus root 3 t square, minus into minus plus, root 3 gets cancelled, 2t, minus into minus plus root 3 into 1 root 3 dt. This is equals to minus 2 by root 3 1 by, now this is t square minus 2 by root 3 t minus 1. So let us try to convert into a minus b whole square. So t square is t minus, t quotient is 2 by root 3, it's half, into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3 minus 1 dt. Minus 2 by root 3 1 by t minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 3 ones are minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 3 is 2 by root 3 whole square dt. So this is equals to 2 by root 3. So this is 1 by, let us multiply with minus. So minus into minus plus, this is 2 by root 3 whole square minus of t minus 1 by root 3 whole square dt. So this is 2 by root 3. This is again integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. Integral 1 by a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So 1 by 2a here is 2 by root 3 log a plus x, 2 by root 3 plus t minus 1 by root 3 by 2 by root 3 minus of t minus 1 by root 3 plus constant of integration c. Now let us continue this. This is equals to 2 by root 3 into, this is 1 by 2 to the 4 by root 3. 1 by 4 by root 3 is reverse, root 3 by 4 log, here the LCM is root 3 by root 3 is the LCM. So 2 plus root 3t minus, plus into minus minus, root 3 by root 3 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1 by, here also root 3 is LCM, this is 2 minus root 3t minus into minus plus 1 plus constant of integration c. So root 3 gets cancelled, root 3 gets cancelled 2 times. 1 by 2 log 2 minus 1 is 1 plus root 3, the value of t is tan x by 2 is what we have taken before, by 2 plus 1 is 3 minus root 3 t is equals to tan x by 2 plus constant of integration c. So this is the final answer. This problem can also be solved in another alternative, which is, so this I am rubbing. The question is integral 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx, right? So this, what we are doing here is, I will divide with 2 and multiply with 2, so that 2 gets cancelled, we are getting the same integral. So here sin x into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into cos x dx. So here 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, I have separated from the process of integration. So 1 by 2 integral, this is 1 by sin x into 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 3 cos 60 plus root 3 by 2 is cos sin pi by 3 sin 60 into cos x dx. Sin x into 1 by 2 is cos pi by 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 is sin 60. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is equals to 1 by 2 1 by sin A cos B plus cos A sin B sin A plus B sin x plus pi by 3 dx. Or you may even write it as sin x into, this is sin 30 sin pi by 6, cos x into cos 30 cos pi by 6, sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is cos A minus B. So cos x minus pi by 3 or cos pi by x minus pi by 6 or pi by 6 minus x, as you wish, no problem. This is equals to 1 by 2 integral 1 by sin is cosecant. So this is cosecant x plus pi by 3 dx. Integral cosecant x is log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So 1 by 2 log mod cosecant x plus pi by 3 minus cot x plus pi by 3 plus constant of integration c. Or even we can write 1 by 2 log mod tan x by 2. That is also one of the formula. X here is x plus pi by 3 by 2 plus c. This is equals to 1 by 2 log tan 3x plus pi by 3 by 2 6 plus constant of integration c. So we can do this problem in this way as well. Integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. So here in the numerator 1, denominator contains the trigonometric functions. Here 2x is given. So then tan x is equals to t is what we have to prefer. Earlier it is sin x plus root 3 cos x. X is given x by 2, tan x by 2 we have to take. 2x is given 2x half, 2x by 2 which is tan x equals to t we have to take. Solution, let tan x is equals to t, secant square x dx is equals to dt, dx is equals to dt by secant square x. Secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x, tan x is t, tan square x is 1 plus t square. So dt by 1 plus t square. So cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x, tan x is t, so 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So the given one can be written as 2 dt by 1 plus t square, dx is dt by 1 plus t square by 5 plus 4 cos 2x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is equals to dt by 1 plus t square by, the LCM here is 1 plus t square. So 5 into 1 plus t square is 5 plus 5t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square is 4 minus 4t square. So 1 plus t square gets cancelled. This is equals to integral dt by 5t square minus 4t square is t square plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 can be written as 3 whole square. This is the form integral 1 by dt can be written as 1 dt, right? So this is integral 1 by x square plus a square. So the term which contains t is to be treated as x. So 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a here is 3. Tan inverse x by a t by 3 plus c. 1 by 3 tan inverse t is equals to tan x by 3 plus constant of integration c. Now let us see this question. Integral 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. So if the constants are missing, we have seen how to do that. So simply numerator is equals to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator plus additionally here plus c will be added, not the c which we are adding at the end of the answer. So A, B are the constants to be evaluated. Likewise, C is also to be evaluated. So at the end, instead of C, let us write C dash to show the difference. So here, the working rule for which is numerator. So 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 is equals to A into d by dx of denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus B into denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus C, where A, B, C, the constants are going to be evaluated. Now 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 is equals to A into 3 into d by dx of sin x is cos x, 4 d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, d by dx of 5 constant is 0 plus B into, this is without derivative, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus C. Comparing the coefficients of sin x, cos x and the constants on both sides. First, sin x quotient, let us compare. So 2 is equals to, here minus 4a sin x quotient is minus 4a plus, this is 3b sin x quotient is plus 3b. Let us equate the quotient of cos x on both the sides. So 3 is equals to 3a plus 4b, and the constants let us equate. So constant is 4 is equals to 5b plus c. Now, so this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So solving 1 and 2, the two simultaneous linear equations. So first equation, let us multiply with 3, then we'll get 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are minus 12, 3 3s are 9b. Second equation, let us multiply with 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12a, so 4 4s are 16b. So by doing so, the minus 12a and 12a are the quotients we are equating, right? By now let us add 6 plus 12 is 18, 9 plus 16 is 25b. From this, 18 by 25 is equals to b. Now substituting b in the second equation. So 3 is equals to 3a plus 4 into b value is 18 by 25. So that implies 3 minus 4 into 18 into 4 by 25. This 4 into 18 by 25 I have transposed onto another side is equals to 3a. So this is 325 75 72. 4 18s 72 by 25 is equals to 3a. 75 minus 72 is 3 by 25 is equals to 3a. So 3 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, a is equals to 1 by 25. Now, so substituting b in third equation. So 4 is equals to 5 into the value of b is 18 by 25. So this is 18 by 25 plus c. So 5 5s are 25. 4 minus 18 by, this is plus 18 by 5. If you transpose on to another side, this is minus 18 by 5 equals to c. 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 by 5. Therefore, c is equals to 2 by 5. So therefore, let us substitute in this. So the value of a we got it to be 1 by 25. B we got it to be 18 by 25, and C we got it to be 2 by 5. So this I am rubbing. So all this we have done only to evaluate the constants A, B and C, and we have done everything. So this is equals to now this is equals to integral 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4. 2 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 4 is this value. So in the place of this, let us write this entire one. So 1 by 25 into 3 cos x minus 4 sin x plus 18 by 25 into 3 sin x minus 4 cos x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 2 by 5. This dx is this, by denominator is same. Denominator is by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. Now let's see this. This is entire A, B, C. Let us suppose this D. A by C, A by D plus B by D plus C by D. So this is equals to 1 by 25 integral 3 cos x minus 4 sin x by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx plus 18 by 25 integral 3 sin x this by this plus 4 cos x plus 5 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx plus 2 by 5 integral 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. This is equals to 1 by 25. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5. Its derivative is 3. Sin x derivative is cos x. 4 cos x derivative is minus sin x. 5 derivative is 0. So simply this is f dash x by f of x. Log mod f of x. Plus 4 cos x plus 5. Since this is f of x and this is f dash x, we have the result integral f dash x by f of x dx is log mod f of x plus 18 by 25. These two gets cancelled. Integral 1 dx is x plus 2 by 5 integral 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx. So we know how to solve this. So in the numerator it is 1. Denominator contains the combinations of trigonometric functions sin and cos. So x are there. So tan x by 2 is equals to t we have to take. So let us take this to be, because we we cannot take this and proceed because it will be lengthy. That is why I will take this to be some whatever lambda or mu. So let integral 1 by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 dx to be lambda. So here let or consider this is equals to lambda. So let tan x by 2 is equals to t. Then dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So for the time being I am curtailing the steps. So if you want this, then see the previous videos, previous problems. So sin x is equals to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So 2t by 1 plus t square. And cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, which is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this is equals to lambda is equals to integral dx value is 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 3 into sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square plus 4 into cos x is 2t by cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 5. This is equals to 2 into dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square is the LCM. Then 3 2s are 60 plus 4 minus 4t square plus 5 into 1 plus t square is 5 plus 5t square. These two gets cancelled. 2 into dt by 5t square minus 4t square is t square plus 60 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is 2 into dt by t square plus 60 plus 9 is t plus 3 whole square. If you do not understand, no problem. T square is t plus t quotient is 6, half of it 3, complete the square minus whatever we have written here 3 square 9 plus 9 is already there. So t plus 3 whole square. This is what we have been doing for each and every problem, completion of square. So this is equals to integral 1 by 1 integral 1 by x square dx is minus 1 by x. So this is minus 1 by x here is t plus 3 minus 2 by t value is tan x by 2. We have taken it before, tan x by 2 plus 3. So therefore the final answer would be, so 1 by 25 into log 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 plus 18 by 25 integral 1 dx is x plus 2 by 5 into this value we have taken it to be lambda, right? So and this lambda is equals to how much? This. So lambda is equals to minus 2 by tan x by 2 plus 3 plus constant of integration c. Therefore the final answer would be 1 by 25 log modulus 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 5 f dash x by f of x is log mod f of x we have got plus 18 by 25 integral 1 dx is x plus into minus is minus 2 2s are 4 by 5 into tan x by 2 plus 3 plus constant of integration c dash. So this is the answer for the given integral.